Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we are going to do is we're going to do a crochet tension ring. Nice, simple, quick project to use for your scrap yarn. We're going to start out now by chaining 12. Okay, so now once you have your 12 done, we are going to put her into the first loop and we are going to slip stitch through that first loop and the one on our hook. So we have a little ring. I'm going to chain one and we're going to work one single crochet in every stitch all the way around. Now if you have any issues following which stitch was your first one, you can place a stitch marker in that so to keep track of which stitch was the first one. Okay, so one single crochet every stitch the whole way across. Okay, so once you get back to the beginning, just slip stitch into the top of your first single crochet. We're going to chain two and we're going to work 4 unfinished double crochets. So yarn over and go through, pull up a loop and go through 2 loops, yarn over into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time. So yarn over into the same stitch again, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So you will have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 5. Then you're going to chain 2 and then you're going to skip 2. And then into this stitch you're going to yarn over and put in 4 unfinished double crochets again. So same again, into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. So we got 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through all, then chain 2. You're going to continue that all the way around until you have 2 stitches left here, and we'll see you back there. Okay, so here we are back with 2 stitches left in between, and we've done our chain 2 after our last unfinished double crochets. Okay, so we're going to slip stitch to the top of this cluster. And then we are going to slip stitch into this space here. So you're going to go into that stitch there, one more slip stitch, and then one more slip stitch, and we're in that chain 2 space. Okay, so now we're going to put in 2 single crochets. Now we're going to go straight over into the other chain 2 space and put in 2 more single crochets. And we're going to do that in every chain 2 space going around. Once you get back to the beginning, we're going to just slip stitch into the top of that first single crochet. Then we are going to snip the yarn, pull it through, and then you're just going to weave in your ends. Okay, and there you have it. You have a quick little tension ring made, ready to go. So it will help you keep control of your yarn. Now, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to the channel, and we hope to see you in the next video. Until then, happy crocheting!